I'm in a crawl space in Annapolis, and I think this is the culprit. And what I mean by that is the homeowner has a neighbor who has a house that's similar sized, same family structure, they work from home, same habits, and their bills are a lot different. So I was asking a ton of questions, and it wasn't until we came down here into the basement I saw that pretty much a good third of the house is built on a crawl space with vents, and hopefully you can see behind me that vent, whereas the house next door does not. They have a full basement. So I think we found the reason why the bill is different despite all other things being mostly equal.
The reason these comfort and efficiency problems go unsolved for so long is because they're hiding in parts of your home that most people avoid. The attic, the crawl space, even basements. But those areas are exactly where I go during your inspection. So you schedule your energy audit, I come out, I get into the places that nobody else wants to go, I uncover what's really going on. Airflow, drafts, windows, gaps, missing insulation, and I'm going to show you exactly what needs to be done. So here's the process. Step 1, schedule your energy audit online. Step 2, let's meet. I'll complete the inspection and I'll build out your custom plan. Step 3, you decide what you want to move forward with. Step 4, we measure the results and you feel real improvement. So, if you want a fix that actually works and doesn't break the bank, go to my website, homeairleakagetest.com, look for the Book Audit Now button, sign up for the first available date that works for you, and I'll do the dirty work and show you exactly what is really happening inside of your house.